The Facebook template needs not that much adjustment, except for the libraries part. Change the title and change and add some libraries. The libraries part is a bit older and there have been quite a few changes. You have to adjust the method names below as well. I will use this small snippet again to hide my credentials. I'm also adjusting the config part to match them to my snippet. You could make the same, just make a config.json file and store the app ID, app secret and access token in that file in JSON format. The app ID and app secret you can get from the dashboard from Facebook Developers Platform, where we created an app. The access token is the user access token we created. Use the long-lived token. Then we can adjust the main function, which gets the credentials in the beginning and then sets up me as the add account user. Then you need to define which is the account you would like to get data from. You may only have one, so the choice is easy. Otherwise, you have to match the account number. It may be best for you to list the add accounts first to see which account you need data from. You can match the number to the number of your add account on the Facebook Business Manager. I have multiple accounts and I'm accessing the fourth account, so I use the number 3 to access the fourth value in the account list. If you have only one account, then leaving that line as is without the S in get add accounts should do the trick. And the last part should print some campaign examples. First, we need to install the Facebook Ads library. Open the terminal with Control Command backquote and pip3 install Facebook Ads. You may need to add sudo in the beginning if you need more privileges. Also install all other libraries you need but haven't installed yet. As with the Google Analytics Python file, you can now change into the directory where the Facebook Python file is stored and run the file with python3 name of file and enter. You should now see some results if you had some campaigns running in the set time period. Now we need to transform the extracted data, which we will do in our next videos.